From the office of the governor, I want to say that from what Waziri has shared with you, he also shared with the governor, and the governor directed that we send our people home, all our workers, all county government employees, starting yesterday 10, to work from home for the time being until the situation improves. That decision, I think, was reached as a result of what you heard. Ladies and gentlemen, you will just appreciate that we are not safe. We had thought initially that the situation was improving, but now from what we've heard from the minister, 86 people within 2 weeks, and the numbers are increasing. So we thought as a government, the best way is actually to give people, time to release them, to operate from home so that they can protect themselves, and secondly, also protect those that they serve, because the governor is concerned not only about those that are employed by the government, but is concerned about the safety of Meru people. They must also take advantage of that leave to make sure that they get that vaccination. And we thank God, because from what we've heard from the minister, we have enough vaccines in the county. So we are urging not only Meru County employees, but Meru County people, because our health will be our biggest strength. I am also concerned, Mr. Mutuma, of the big gatherings, that we have talked about. Yes, politicians, of course, want votes, but we can only get votes from live voters. You cannot get a vote from a dead voter. So it is very, very important that even as we try to organize maybe for Kiaru by election, let people be conscious of the fact that their health is on their own hands.
22 of those people now, they are hospitalized. 12 are in Meru Teaching and Referral Hospital, and 10 are at St. Teresa's Kirua. So therefore, COVID is still here with us once again. The rates are extremely very high. And I want to say, even our learning institutions have not been spared by this, because we have had 2 learning facilities also closed due to COVID-19. So once again, I want to appeal to the people of Meru. First of all, I want to thank them, because previously they cooperated. We worked very hard, and that's why the impact was not very, very felt in this region. We were able to vaccinate over 26,000, and right now we received some more vaccines, which we have distributed to various sub-counties. And right now, as we speak, people are getting those doses, and I'm appealing to the people of Meru. Please let us go for these vaccines, because that is the only way we can be able to boost our immunity to help us fight this virus. So therefore, I'm requesting our public health officers to team up with reinforcement from the national government to ensure that all the guidelines are strictly followed, so that we protect our people from this scourge. Similarly, nobody will be allowed to sell or buy without wearing a mask. We are also requesting people attending places of worship to ensure they follow the rules strictly as made by the Ministry of Health. And lastly, I want to tell everybody in Meru that your health is your responsibility.